We gotta record a video, y'all. It's been every 2 months, but we gotta record a video. I ain't back, but I'm here now. All right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Beat with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making chickpea curry. Let's get started. I watched a real Indian lady make, that sound racist. I don't like that. I watched somebody make this as authentic as possible, and I'm super excited for what we're gonna do today. This not gonna be just coconut and curry. No, baby, we got aromatics, okay? We got aromatics, all right? I know y'all tired of me talking. Let's get this recipe started, okay? Period. I don't know what period is, but period. All right, into your pan, we're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of oil. So I prepped some onions here. This was a rather large onion, so I only used about half. Okay, a little bit left over, but you see how much is in the pan. We're gonna put some garlic and some freshly grated ginger, also prepped by me. This is about 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. We love garlic around here. And this is I don't know how you measure ginger, but we're gonna say what, 3 thumbs? Girl, I don't know. This is it, okay? Bam, into the pan. All right. I also got from my garden, I don't know what kind of pepper these were, to be quite honest, but I inserted a picture on the side. We're gonna put in some fresh peppers from my personal garden, period. Grew these by myself, okay? Well, you know, nature helped a little bit too. Nature did help a little bit too. All right, I'm gonna give that a stir, let all the aromatics, you know, join together as one. Y'all already know they smell good. We ain't added not a lick of salt, pepper, nothing. So we're gonna let this go ahead and sweat out. Now that aromatics have sweated out for literally just about a minute, maybe a minute and a half, okay? Let's go ahead and add in our curry leaves. All right, so we're just gonna pick these off, okay? I don't know if there's a special way to do it. We're just gonna pick these off. She said about 30. I'm gonna do this whole bunch because babe, we got the actual curry leaves, okay? Get like me, all right? Or don't, it's up to you. Okay, boom, so that's like 1, 2, 3, a lot of curry leaves, okay? I took this whole 2 sprigs and put it on in here. Let's go ahead and stir that in as well. I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. And you can use black pepper, but I rarely use my white pepper, so I need to start using it. So salt and some pepper. We can always add more later. Remember, you cannot take away seasoning, so I'm just gonna start off with a small amount and we'll build up as we go. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And I pre-chopped 1 large tomato. We're gonna also add that in here as well. Ooh, when I tell you I'm excited, yes, we coming together. What is that, a leaf? We're gonna add a ½ teaspoon of brown sugar. Couple of shakes of turmeric. Couple of shakes of nutmeg. And a couple of shakes of ground coriander. I'm gonna do a little pinch of this, okay? Little pinch. I'm gonna also add in some ground chives. It's not in the recipe, but I don't have any spinach or kale to add today, y'all, so I wanna add in some green. It is now time to add in our coconut milk. Stir that on in. Ooh, we haven't even added in the curry yet, y'all. We have not added in the curry or the chickpeas. Get into it. Get into it. Here is the chickpeas I'm using for today. I'm about to open this up and drain and rinse them. I also, before we add in the curry, we're not live so you guys can't comment, but I have so many curries to choose from, okay? I got curry, is it Madras? I don't wanna be wrong. This one right here. I got this one right here. I got curry powder, no salt. We probably ain't gonna use that one. We probably ain't gonna use the no salt one. And then we got regular curry powder. What I'm thinking is I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of the hot and 1 of the regular curry, just in case. You know, this, they can go together. They can be sisters. I think I'm gonna add a dash of cumin in our pot as well. So let's get on back down here and finish up this recipe. All right, let's go in with a teaspoon of curry powder. I'm using heaping, okay? And another teaspoon of the hot curry. I'm also gonna add in a little pinch of the cumin. This is gonna be so good. And of course, you can't have chickpea curry without our chickpeas, okay? Let's add those on in as well. I feel like I need another, ain't no feel like. You need 2 cans of chickpeas. I don't have it. That's my bad. That's my bad. You need 1 more can. But see, I am not mad at a good sauce, okay? So this is gonna be mostly sauce, and that's okay with me. That is all right with me. Now, without even tasting this, I can guarantee you we probably need some more salt and pepper. Add in some salt. And this time I will use some black pepper. Alright, we are going to let this sit, but before we do, I still want to have a little taste just to see where we are in life, okay? Baby, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't season, because baby, that pepper got me. That pepper got me. Oh my gosh, I taste the ginger, the spices. Oh, that's so good. Yes. Yes. Okay. Y'all, we're gonna let that simmer. I'm gonna turn down our skillet. Let me finish chewing. My mama taught me better. Finish chewing. Turn down our skillet to low. Let's let that simmer for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll be back for plating. Who does that? In case you're new to my channel, I still have not purchased a rice cooker. So boom, we're gonna use basmati quick rice. So again, y'all, I would have loved to have added some fresh spinach in here, but I forgot it. But we got our curry leaves. No, I do not know if these are edible, but I feel like they are. I'll eat one for y'all. And we're gonna top it with some fresh cilantro. Just to give it a little bit more color, let's add in some red pepper flakes. Voila, there y'all go, period. Y'all don't look at the mess back there, okay? Y'all ready to eat? Yes, we are ready to eat. Yes. Okay, let's dig in. Oh, I'm so excited. Come on, simmer. Can you eat curry leaves? Okay. They're edible. Okay, we can eat the curry leaf, y'all. Amen, we can eat it. I mean, I figured that, but you know, people always take the bay leaf out. I be confused. All right, here we go. Best curry I've ever made, okay? Not ever had, because baby, I'm not actually Indian. I know y'all thought for a second, but this is so good. Oh, hold on. Let me get a little curry leaf and a little cilantro in here. Hold on. Now we know we can eat it, okay? Y'all make this. Y'all make this. Look, this is my actual lunch, so I'm actually hungry. Ooh, they were a little spice. I must have had a little pepper. Okay. Let me put this down. I gotta tell y'all bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace. Remember, I go live every Sunday. Y'all should join around 5 p.m. Eastern. Around, not always exact. See y'all Sundays. Let me go ahead and tell y'all the creator I got this recipe from, rainbowplantlife.com. Now, I did not use her exact recipe, but I do want to include it down in the description box down below so you guys get the measurements and everything that I use. rainbowplantlife.com. Thank you, girl. Thank you, girl.